Blackouts is something plural, and therefore answer choices which use has are not going to be correct. A and B should be eliminated. Answer choice C fails to form a complete sentence because having and following are noun modifiers here. There is no active verb in the sentence, so answer choice C must go. Then answer choice E uses past perfect tense here. Remember, the usage of past perfect tense is justified only when a sentence has two or more actions in past. The actions which are more in past are in past perfect tense. That's not the case here, so choice E should be eliminated. Then answer choices which have this construction, rolling blackouts, this month in the western half of the country, change the meaning. They suggest something on the lines that all the rolling blackouts this month were in the western half of the country. That's not the intended meaning, so that's another disadvantage in choices B and C and a merit in the correct answer choice. Let's confirm choice D now. The rolling blackouts in the western half of the country this month. So the usage of this phrase this month is correct placement wise, and then this verb have duly agrees with the plural subject blackouts here, and this usage have most likely been, suggesting present perfect continuous tense, which is used for actions that began in past and continue into present, is duly justified because such is the meaning here. D is the correct answer choice.